Dun, 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 dun. We are doing a taste test.
Awesomeness.
Hey, it's the bright side. You get some nice drinks.
Okay.
Okay, what cup do you want
I don't
first?
care.
You like purple.
So do you.
Purple may be my favorite color, but you've been the stinky sink. Okay, so save your drinky.
Pick.
Okay, so your drinky's going up your ass, and we're gonna go drinky. Also, this is gonna be the last thing we taste test because it's motherfucking. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna do the teas last because it'll help with that, because this will make it worse. And we both know that fucker. Well, let's go with this one. Dr. Pepper Blueberry, and that looks reversed. So, giant Dr. Pepper, it's from Spider-Man, it's Dark Berry. Okay, that's not. I was gonna say I can't hold and crack, but okay. You are very sure that you're gonna like this. I thought you didn't like Dr. Pepper.
I don't, but I like blueberries.
Smells good. I like it.
I don't know what this is.
It's Dr. Pepper with blueberry-ish. The blueberry is subtle, and my stuff is gonna attack you. I do apologize. Is it the not good, not bad? Nah.
Pretty much.
I'll take that. Mine. So, do you want a snack or do you want a drink? Okay. Next up
It was leaning against me.
is, remember last time we did the mozzarella?
Yep.
This time we're doing the Buffalo Ranch. It's a cream corn puff. What is this supposed to represent? Some TGI Fridays. It smells like over Buffalo Ranchy. Smells like they're compensating for something. Oddly spicy. But to me, it tastes like they're trying to compensate for something.
You can taste the buffalo.
Whoa! The aftertaste is awesome. I don't get a ranch.
Yeah. That's why I had to take another one.
I mean, I get some of the texture flavoring of ranch, but not the real taste
more,
of it.
I taste more buffalo than ranch.
Yeah, like I said, I get the textural tastiness of ranch. You know what I mean by that, right? Ranch has a certain textural thing. So it's more texturally ranch than buffalo, but flavor-wise, that is just buffalo. So that is a no by me, a maybe by you. You've had better.
Yeah, pretty much.
As it's up your ass.
What, is that iced tea?
Yes.
Gimme.
Oh, sorry, iced tea.
That one.
Ow, 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 ow. Okay, this is sparkling juice. It's Rose's sparkling juice. What is Rose's sparkling? God, I hope this is not something. Oh, it has raspberry and Northwest. What the fuck?
Sparkling juice. It's got raspberry concentrate, and that's pretty much what it is. And it's got apple. It's basically apple raspberry. Yeah, it's apple raspberry.
Okay. Just be careful because we are not sure. Remember the last time we had apple? Smells okay. Apple and raspberry do not go together, do they?
Tastes like something like, you know those stupid drinks they make for children? Like those like fruit drinks for babies.
That's what you think this tastes like?
Yeah.
This tastes kind of like what part of a mimosa tastes like.
without the alcohol.
Exactly.
But like I said, I think it more relates to like that baby juice shit. That's my opinion.
Doesn't look like it's good for you either. I'll just put it in the cup. That was not satisfying. That is probably gonna.
Shit. I'm not.
You're not gonna make it anyways because there's a lid on it.
On
Okay, so
Cheez-Its, they're right in front of you.
you like the cheeses? Which one do you want to try first?
I don't care.
Let's go with the pizza one because that might be grosser. And you like hard. Cheez-Its pizza. This is cheese pizza.
Ew.
Yeah,
That burp didn't taste very good. It was a combination of the chips I ate prior, that rosé bullshit, with a chance of buffalo.
and the blueberry was just ignored.
Exactly.
That smells like a cheese chip. Pizza chip. You want to grab first, or shall I? They look no different. I think they tried to get the texture of pizza and just came off as feeling slightly stale. These are fresh. But it has the texture of pizza.
It doesn't taste like the normal cheese pizza though. It tastes like the cheese they would use for like the white cheddar
I just
with
got
like
a,
Parmesan added to it.
I just got a ton of seasoning right in that chip. So I think it's based chip by chip. Some of them are more cheesy and more pizza-y. So
I'm not a fan.
it's okay. It's not bad. Could be done better. Drink or oh, you're going with save or sweet. Sweet to save your palate?
Yes.
God help me. She grabbed me a Hostess Cupcake. That's birthday.
Well, whose birthday's at the end of the month?
Happy birthday to you. Your birthday gift's right over there.
Oh, good lord.
I don't know if there are all the pieces in there yet.
Ow.
I'm failing at opening this.
Opened it the wrong way.
I'm a winner. I like black pepper. I'm not so fun about this.
They've done us wrong. They've done us dirty.
They have gotten wrong in the past few years.
No.
Did they change the recipe?
I
Or
don't-
have we just gotten older?
I don't know, but I like the sprinkles.
I like the sprinkles.
And it looks like a birthday cake.
Why are the sprinkles more on one side than the other?
I don't know. Fucking eat it already.
Okay, so. What can I say? It just tastes like a normal cake.
It's moist, but I don't like the icing. Icing's really hard.
Always hard. If there's one thing we can tell from Hostess, they do not have erectile dysfunction. Yes, I just made a penis joke.
I know. Just so you're not arguing how to open the shit.
We're going to hell, or at least I am. It's an energy drink from Coca Cola.
Always Coca Cola.
Which flavor is this again?
Probably original.
Doesn't even say.
That's original.
So if you start bouncing off the walls, don't blame me.
Her fault.
You bought it, or you forced me to buy it.
Tastes like bubblegum. And I like it. It tastes like bubblegum. It's mine.
Oh my god, the aftertaste really tastes like I just swallowed a buttload of bubblegum. Also, don't say buttload of bubblegum while she's drinking.
It's really good.
I don't like it.
Well, you got the fucking blueberry one I bought. So we're kind of fucking even.
That made it taste weird.
Try one more sweet before we go back to the other one.
I love the fact that she hates sweets, and now she's going, sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay, we got s'mores from Hostess.
Let's see how bad they fucked this up.
It's a limited edition, and we want to see how bad She don't trust me no more. Okay, so I tried to open several boxes backwards. Big deal.
It's chocolate.
Now this looks kind of like their standard one.
Smells like a s'more.
Smells like a burnt ass s'more.
It still smells like a s'more, so you can't deny it.
Also smells chemical. Who got drunk and made the s'more?
Now this one, I don't mind the icing being hard. Because I think it balances out with the cake that tastes like graham crackers.
To me, it tastes chemically. It tastes like what it's supposed to be, but it tastes like the chemical version. And the mock cream does not taste like a marshmallow to me.
I like this one over the birthday cake one.
This is also much sweeter. I feel like I'm going to have diabetes tonight.
I'd beat you to it.
But diabetes or
It's genetics for me.
same for me.
Anyone else in your family?
Probably. We just don't tell each other.
It has to be like a brother, a sister, a father.
We don't tell each other shit.
And then I can't help you. Cheese it.
You sure you don't want to drink?
Cheese it.
Extra toasty. Cheese it. Oh my god, my mouth still tastes like fucking chocolate.
Cheese it.
It'll probably save me.
And then after that, we'll do one of the sodas.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got some stuff you might like today.
So far, my number one is my energy drink. My number two is the Hostess S'mores.
Smells like a regular one.
And my iffy one would have to be the Buffalo Ranch because I don't taste any ranch.
Meh, meh, blah, blah. Yum.
And I was going to say.
And yuck.
It's like a normal cheese up.
It's just a little darker.
And the regular ones are really salty. This has a lot of salt on it. I don't like it.
Extra toasty my ass.
No, but you taste the salt, right? Like, I only had 3 pieces and I could taste the salt.
I think my mouth still tastes like chocolate. That's why I can taste the salt. Oh, there it is.
$230 milligrams of sodium, which is salt.
Yes.
Compared to 200 milligrams in this one. But I can taste it more in that one than this one.
Well, that's because this one has less.
But you would think because they're both cheeses, you would taste the salt.
Yeah, because usually you can.
I didn't taste the salt in the cheese one.
Mm-hmm.
The pizza.
Oh, we're perfect storm. Okay, so we found a Diet Dr. Pepper cherry. That's like 0.
No, it's not 0.
It's regular?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Because we never heard of a cherry one.
What's color?
Oh, yes, that's a bright, vibrant color.
I like that.
I do too. I'm trying to distinguish because it's. A bit watery for a Dr. Pepper.
It's also 0 Dr. Pepper. The diet ones don't have any sugar in it. So it's going to taste more like water.
No, I meant texturally.
I'm just saying.
Because usually you can feel more of a body with certain things. Yeah. But we're just going to put that over here. Because you still have a drink. And I did. I'm dumping everything.
I see that. Can you hand me my phone really quick? I want to see who messaged me.
Okay.
I just need to make sure it's not work. Oh, looking for nearby Pokemon. What's the Pokemon? Odish is in the area, it said.
Oh, Oddish! You can't say Oddish.
Odish.
It's not even an odd thing.
Odish.
It's oddish. Okay. What do you want next?
Lemon.
I got this because I thought she'd like it. I don't want it. Lemon for Blaze.
So if I don't like it, then what the fuck are you gonna do with it?
Feed it to a Cuban?
Do we know any?
I know some.
So do I, my nephew.
How many of these do you have?
A lot. Elmas Park, Cubas.
Oh, yeah.
Dumbass.
Smells weird, doesn't it? Oh! Ah! Sweet merciful Lord! What?
What do you have to say, Halie?
Sweet merciful Lord!
That's not what I asked you.
It tastes like I sucked on a goddamn lemon, but I was chewing it.
Alright. My opinion. It tastes decent because I know what lemons taste like. I eat them raw. I peel them like an orange.
It also tastes kind of like lime. Which makes sense of the name.
But like I said, like I peel the lemons, I peel the limes, and I eat them like an orange. Texture wise, it's a good execution. However, would I eat it again? Probably not. Only because the texture aspect of it does not go well with the flavor aspect.
Well, if you're making crunchy lemon chicken.
Maybe. But I don't like chips like this. I like the ridges.
I was referring to blending it up and making it as a creme.
I understand that, but what I'm saying is I prefer ridge over regular chips. The only regular chip I like that's very salty and I only can have it in proportions is my Munchers.
What the fuck can you use this shit for?
Like you said, for chicken.
So basically, this is a cooking chip.
Why the hell not?
And he just loved the fact that I was just sitting there smacking myself in the tail.
That was fucking hilarious. Alright. Next.
Pick something, because we got drinks and we got the... Hell.
Well, you won't let me have this one until the end.
We still have some kinds.
Fuck me.
No, I don't want to.
I don't like kind.
Well, we got some Oreos to help you with that.
Fuck you, bitch. I guess we'll do the blueberry fucking kind, you cunt.
Okay. So up next is this blueberry almond butter kind bar. I thought I got 3, but I don't know where the third one went.
Maybe fucking eat it.
Nope. God, it looks like a cookie.
You say that about all of them.
That's dry as fuck.
They all are dry as fuck.
It's meh. Not good or bad.
I wouldn't eat it again.
But it's just too dry.
There's a lot of Otishes in the area.
Odd dish.
Oh dish.
Odd dish.
Oh dish.
Oh god, you can't even say the Pokemon's name right.
I like Lovely.
That's not its real name. That's its nickname.
It's lovely to me.
Yes. It's actually a melodic.
I'm taking care of Lovely.
Next up is another one she'll hate. It is peanut butter and chocolate kind bar. It should be good because you like peanut butter and chocolate. It probably won't be.
Otishes.
Oddish. You have a higher chance of getting a shiny one with that many.
Let's see if I get any shinies.
Oh my god, this thing just fell apart. Oh yuck.
It's so dry.
I feel like I just stuck a thing of peanut butter in my mouth.
I mean, it's okay, but I wouldn't eat it again.
Nobody would eat it again. Kind, you're not kind to us.
Never said it was kind to anybody.
It's called kind. So do you want another drink? Want the soda or do you want to have the Oreos? Fuck me. Why must I suffer through Oreo?
Because you continue to buy them.
Oreo. This is the chocolate peanut butter pie.
Maybe it's better than kind. Maybe this will be kinder to us.
Kinder to you. I loathe Oreo. We didn't have this one.
Which still.
Because we didn't have, we might have had one like this, but it was not a white top. It was a brown top.
That was the other peanut butter one.
Gross. I hate this. How much to make me suffer?
They're real good.
Do you know how spot shiny?
No.
A shiny Pokemon looks different. It has sparkles. Drink.
Yes.
Let's finish off our Dr. Peppers. Or our sodas with the Dr. Pepper Cherry.
I still like that one.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is more vibrantly red.
This is also original.
This looks like we are spilling blood, so.
Yeah, this is too sweet. I don't like that. I like the other one.
This reminds me of when I was a kid. And we drank something that tasted and looked like this, but I don't know if it was this.
I still like that one better.
Okay. How are you on that one?
Almost empty. Feel it.
Yeah. Have your bubblegum back.
I like my
Okay.
bubblegum.
For sure. So, suffer or suffer? Or suffer or. This is last supper.
Pretzel.
Okay, so maybe I'll suffer. Honey wheat. With real honey. From Snyder's Hanover. These are the twisted braids. How does it kind of taste like nothing? They smell like nothing.
Because they don't.
So that looks kind of nice. It's a little braid. That is like the flavorless pretzel I've ever had.
Okay.
It like has no flavor, doesn't it?
It has nothing. I mean, it tastes like wheat. You can tell it's a wheat one. But the honey is not there. I don't know what the fuck they're on. Basically just want to eat the original ones.
Yeah. I mean, this would probably be good with the chocolate coating.
Or even ice cream.
Something. Another drink? Okay. Bye, babe. Pronounce that.
I need to make sure where it's from. So I know how I'm saying it.
It's bye, babe. Booty, biati, beautiful. Bubble gook.
Bye. 1 gram of sugar. Blueberry lemonade.
Yes, it's blueberry lemonade. And it's like annoyingly hard to open with my hand. That doesn't mean I'm opening it with my feet. Smells like medicine.
You know? Is it? Why does she hang out at your place?
I don't know. She doesn't hang out there for me. She likes hanging out there for you. Can I have your cup?
Are you gonna kill me?
I try to not give you a lot.
Smell the blueberry.
See, I gave me a lot more, so you wouldn't have to suffer.
Not bad.
It doesn't feel like the flavors go together, though.
It's still not bad.
I mean,
Better than that rosé shit.
oh, yeah. That's definite. If we are burning our asses off, we can drink this. So, again, like I say, even though I don't drink booze, I do with tequila.
Vodka.
Whatever. Better with booze. I have, like, no space near my feet. Put that near your feet. Oreo drink. Oreo drink.
Oreo.
Dark chocolate.
You should like this one.
I hate all Oreos. You know this.
Yeah,
I didn't even like the s'moresy one.
but you like chocolate.
Oh my god, that is like the darkest cookie I've ever seen. Did somebody burn this cookie? Because this is fucking dark.
Well, you like dark chocolate.
Oh, alright. Well, It looks like I'm eating dirt. This kind of tastes like jerk cake.
So then smush them, get some fucking gummy worms, get some pudding. That should do that.
Yeah, this kind of tastes like the end of part of jerk cake, doesn't it? Mind you, I don't like Oreo.
Okay, yeah.
I still don't like this.
Not bad. Brian would probably like them.
I'll probably nail my arm off for that.
I'm gonna give it to him.
Mm.
I don't take it home too. I was like, Melissa bought these for you. Eat them.
You might have to wait for that because I might have to scan this for the rebate.
Why scan these?
Because that's how the one rebate works.
That's dumb.
Mm-hmm. So, Bali it is. That's the last thing.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't want to burn my ass. The next thing is our bye Bali boop. It's bye. Okay, this is a zim. Why can't I pronounce that, Barry? It's a Bing cherry.
Zambia Bing Cherry.
I failed geography.
No habla español.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien.
¿De dónde eres?
What? Did you just tell me I had dirty underwear?
No. ¿De dónde eres?
You're pretty too.
Nada. ¿De dónde eres?
I'm an idiot.
Idioto.
Okay, so apparently I'm not an idiot.
¿De dónde eres?
How does this taste like a cross between a Jolly Rancher and medicine?
I don't know, but it tastes really good. ¿De dónde eres?
You're a dipshit too.
¿De dónde eres? Soy de.
I don't know why you're putting the soy in your day. Put that near your feet.
¿De dónde eres?
I'm a moron. I don't know Spanish.
¿De dónde eres?
Your girlfriend's hot.
That would be novia.
I'm so bad at this.
That would be novia bonita. But nada.
She's a burrito?
Mi novio y you novia.
I'll see you tonight.
Fail.
I failed.
Mucho fail. You have no idea what I just said.
Not a clue.
Mucho is what?
Big.
No, mucho.
Lots.
Sí. Mucho. Fail.
Big fail. Big bad. Moron.
Ugly.
So are you?
Mucho feo is very ugly. But I still want you to answer my question. ¿De dónde eres? Soy de.
Pizza. No. Okay, this is
¿De dónde eres? Soy de.
My
She will answer this before I drink this shit.
My day is going well. How about yours?
¿De dónde eres?
My sister's not a hooker.
¿De dónde eres?
What does that smell?
No! This is why she failed Spanish, people.
I do know that the teacher's nickname was El Diablo.
Which means?
Satan.
That's not what I asked you. Soy de dónde eres soy de?
Do you know Spanish? No.
No, that would be habla español, sí or nada.
I don't know.
T donde eres?
Can you fucking pronunciate? No, I can't. Can you read Spanish? No, I can't. Do you know what Spanish is? Not really. It's from here. I've actually said to people, it's not Portuguese or Spanish. I don't know.
I'll give you one clue and one clue only. De donde eres? Soy de Morrisville. E2.
Where do you live? Here.
De donde eres?
Where are you from? Somewhere.
And this is why I can't take her anywhere.
Hey, at least they got free entertainment with the address.
De donde eres?
The dioses?
Mucho feo.
Yes, I don't speak Spanish. I can't roll my R's.
Rrr.
This is strawberry lemonade.
Rojo.
Rojo? Yeah, it's red. I think it's pink, but yeah. Was Rojo me? I farted. How does it have a chalky taste, but at the same time, again, tastes like medicine with a Jolly Rancher?
I don't like that one.
It's not bad, but again, medicine and a Jolly Rancher. Will you stop farting? Are you gonna have to kill my toilet?
Not that time yet.
Did Don Daenerys? Oh God! That'd be good news.
El Stupido.
You've done the Aries.
No.
Yes, you have. You've done back in the air. She's gonna fart more. I know it. Yeah, stuff out of your ass. And I'm pretty sure the Spanish people would find that funny too, because I'm so not using it correctly, but at the same time, it works with English.
El Stupido.
Yeah, you are. Blackberry lemonade. And the air smells like shit.
Maybe I should just leave.
Oh, yeah, leave that like a candle. Leave after you dealt it.
Whoever smelled it dealt it.
You done bad to the air.
You smelled it, so you dealt it.
Nah. Yeah.
That tastes like
Medicine.
I'm done. Yo vomito.
I didn't think you would want any more.
Yo vomito.
You're not going to vomit. You're going to make me vomit. With this.
Yo vomito.
Not because you stank it up.
El Stupido y vaca. Y bruja.
Do you know what baka means?
Bitch.
No. It means idiot in Japanese.
Oh. Bruja.
Bakaru.
Bruja.
I just called you a dumbass.
Bruja el Stupido.
Okay, this is Flaming Hot Cheetos popcorn. I'm going to fillet her.
I didn't buy it. I wasn't even with her when she bought this. I don't think I was.
That's really red.
I don't think I was. Was I with her when you bought that?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, okay. I ate too much already, so I'm probably gonna puke. Are you okay? She's a big baby.
Mm-hmm.
Why are we best friends?
Mm-hmm.
Are we best friends?
Oh. Mm-hmm.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No comprende novia.
Mm-hmm.
No comprende.
What do you think? Mm-hmm.
Basically, she's saying goodbye, motherfuckers.
Mm-hmm.
Peace out.
Mm-hmm.
Bye. Bye. She loves you. She loves you guys forever is what she's telling me.
Mm-hmm.
And that she wants to fuck you all someday. As she cries like a little baby. With her tongue in a bottle. And if her tongue gets stuck, I'm not going to help her. Because she's a crybaby right now. Because she loves you all. She thanks you for joining us today. And she says she loves you all. And she'll be with you in all of your thoughts and dreams as well as desires. as she fucks you all to death.